So Mark wanted to drive the Ford 1920 tractor, and I told him, well, you know, the tank on that thing's not too big. It doesn't hold a lot of fuel on. He suggested we add a second tank to it for reserve. So I said, yeah, all right, you work on that. Let's see how he's doing. Hey, Mark, I don't think this is going to work. See, the problem is when he puts the fuel line on that thing, when he starts to drive, it's just going to wrap around that and tear off. All right, so Mark stole this idea off of YouTube.
I stole it off my instructor.
Well, anyways.
Oh.
Oh, this is the IH350's gas tank. It's rusted beyond belief inside there, and it's got a stupid partition in it.
Strap fell down.
Good. Then why does it seem so tight?
Because it's pulling here.
No, this is still tight. See?
Yeah.
I don't know. It's your idea. You got any other ideas?
Oh, the bottom one's falling off. That's a problem.
The bottom one's falling off?
Yeah.
Oh, I see. I wonder if it's underneath the wheel now, though.
It is.
So, maybe not. Here, get that out of the way. Get that out of the way before I dump it over. So, if I loosen this top one.
Wait, let's put this cap back on.
Why, is this stuff in there already?
Yeah. Why don't you put it here?
Huh?
Why don't you put it across here?
Because you see, it's pulling this way.
Yeah.
So if I put this here, it's going to want to just come that way.
Okay.
I took physics in college, trust me. The vectors of force would suggest that the point of equilibrium is right about here.
All right, now come across, come around. Let's make sure if...
Yeah, that's more of a Cliff Clavinism there, I think.
Yeah.
All right.
Let's see if your college knowledge can...
All right, what do you think? You think this is going to fly?
Yeah, come on this side and look.
Huh?
Come on this side and make sure.
Oh. Yeah. This is interesting.
Why?
That's why we didn't have that strap so far down. So the problem is this strap here in this position, underneath this bracket right here, when the wheel turns around, this is going to come up and it's going to want to catch right there. Every time it goes around. And even if it pops off, you know, pops away from that, every time it comes around it's going to do it again until it finally just rubs through and breaks the strap. That's why we didn't have this that far down. We had it going like this across here. That was the reason why. So lowering it way down like we just did, that was a mistake. The other thing too is we had the strap nice and flat like this one. Oh, that one's not so great either. I mean, I could be wrong. You know how you test this theory? Get up there and put it in reverse and back up. Slowly. Stop. You're gonna run over your... You're gonna run over your thing full of...
So is it working?
Sort of. Hold on. Alright, do it more. Alright, stop. That might work.
What?
It's actually able to pull the straps past there. Not only that, but this is still nice and tight.
Good.
Oh yeah, you're in the wrong position to pour more stuff in there though. First time driving? What's the matter with you? First time driving?
I didn't put the brake on.
Alright, so how much stuff did you put in there so far?
I put that one thing in now. I just need to put the gallon of water in.
Alright. Did you happen to shut the valve on the bottom off? Now that we can't get to it?
I didn't know It was off already.
Well, how do you think the fuel comes out of that
It was
gas
off
tank?
already, wasn't it?
I don't know.
Oh, do we see water coming out? Nope. I think we'll be good.
We'll get simple green in there, right?
Yeah.
All right. That's our chemical of choice today because it's cheap. It's concentrated, so we're just diluting it with water.
I wish this was gas.
We're gonna waste gasoline on this thing?
Hmm?
You know, gasoline's too expensive. So now we're gonna put some aggregate in there. So what I've got is, I've got a whole gross of
Wing nuts.
these wing nuts. We're just gonna dump a bunch of wing nuts in there and they'll rattle around and scratch the inside of that tank up and hopefully scrape off
I knew you were going to say something.
scrape off the I don't think you were in the shot. Your head wasn't in the shot.
Yeah.
Nobody saw it. You want to show everybody your new hat?
No.
Mark's got a new hat.
No.
He's very proud of it.
Oh,
All
someone
right.
crashed into the tractor already.
All right. Put yeah, I don't know.
2 handfuls.
Oh, more than that.
Last one.
All right. I would put another gallon of water in there. That doesn't seem to be much fluid in there. Who doggies? Hi, this is Trace Elliott, Diet Dr. Pepper.
Is there a wasp by my eye?
Hmm?
Is there a wasp by my eye?
No. Beautiful. See how it's all foaming up in there? That foaming action? That's what you want to get going. Patented foaming, scrubbing bubbles. Now, let's see how long before you ruin my straps. Nothing. I got a quiz for you.
Yeah.
What do you think would be better? Going faster or going slower? As far as cleaning action.
Faster. But we can't go faster. Slower?
You know why? Because if you start going too fast, what will happen is
It
the
just goes in the
centrifugal
middle.
force
Mhm.
will actually, not in the middle, the centrifugal force will actually keep that, like that pile of stuff,
Mhm.
kind of sitting near the outside and it won't. So you want to go slow enough so that it has a habit of just wanting to keep, as it turns up, it just keeps falling down into the bottom and falling and falling and falling, tumbling. You want that tumbling action,
Yeah.
like the tumbling tumbleweeds.
Oh, let me use this nice safe safety harness.
That thing's disgusting. I mean, look at your pants now.
Oh. Safety first. Give me my hat.
What is that crackling noise?
This is my water bottle.
It's gonna fall down. Oh, we missed the shot of it falling off. Oh, dang nabbit. A gas tank fell off. Pa's gonna be mad. Oh, I bet you this thing's heavy. Whoa! Yep. Oh, my pants don't fall down. Mark says our problem is we're not using a big enough tractor for this job. He wants to use this one because he can get the straps through here, strap it right to the rim. Come on, Tex. Water's heavy, huh?
Yeah.
So I would put one strap through.
You don't need to go through those, Daddy.
All right.
You just need to hook these up here.
There we go. Okay. Now.
Peeing on it.
Yeah, I see that. Hold
Hurry
on.
up.
Okay, that should do it. Now just get the other strap on. Hurry up. Okay, so I brought this pan over so we can dump the contents into this pan and see how we did. I would,
I say we put it under it.
well, yeah, I mean, right now, if we open that up, just a bunch of fluid's going to come out because all the stuff is settled in here down the bottom.
Yeah,
So-
we take the fluid out, we dump the fluid, and then so like the first run, no, it's not all the.
And back. Looks like rusty water, that's for sure. Oh, look at that rust.
That's good.
Yes. Went from simple green to simple brown.
Well, it did its job then.
Theoretically.
I mean,
What I recommend we do,
yeah.
we empty this out as best as we can, right? Rinse it out, and then you remount the tank with this facing up. Fill it again, and do this again. Because right now, we've been basically doing like this.
Yeah.
So You probably weren't getting a lot of the bottom of the tank here. Maybe, I don't know. But I'm just thinking, you know, switch it up a little bit.
Okay.
It's just been falling down, you know, blah, 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 blah. It's gonna get on your pants. There you go. Nuts.
What else fell? Is there any? Did it?
Well, I was curious if there's any good-sized chunks of the rust in here. Well, either they disintegrated or there's a whole lot more wing nuts left in there. Yeah, see this? That?
Yeah.
That's all.
That's good.
Yeah, good.
Make a hole.
All of that stuff coming out.
Can you do it?
Come on, really?
I'll do it a little bit more.
Yeah, why don't you? I didn't even want to do this project today. Practically begged me. There you go. Oh, yeah. Taking a rusty dump.
Sorry, my back.
All right. Yeah, you know, your old man's syndrome.
No, it's.
I know. Oh.
Okay.